Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on TikTok so that you can appear offline. So this is helpful when you want to use the app without your friends seeing that you're currently active. These steps work on iPhone and Android. So first, open up the TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap the profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. So from your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Privacy Account and then look for the option called Activity Status. Then turn the switch off, and once this setting is disabled, the green activity indicator will no longer appear on your profile. So your friends won't be able to see when you are online. So keep in mind that this setting works both ways. After turning off your activity status, you also won't be able to see when your friends are active on TikTok. And that is how you can hide your online status and appear offline on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.